Why do 80% of marketers swear by niche marketing? Let's dive in and find out. Niche marketing. It's not just a fancy term, it's your business's secret weapon. Instead of trying to speak to everyone, focus on a specific group. Imagine you're selling eco-friendly dog toys. Who's your audience? Pet owners who love sustainability. By zeroing in on this niche, you're not just blasting out generic ads. You're connecting directly with people who care about what you're selling. This makes your marketing more personal and powerful. Think about it. Higher engagement, better conversions, and loyal customers who feel understood. Plus, niche markets are less crowded. Less competition means you stand out more easily. It's like being a big fish in a small pond. So, start thinking small to grow big. Remember, find your niche, tailor your message, and watch your business soar. Ready to get started? Let's make your marketing matter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips on boosting your business.